Binary information is represented in digital computers by physical quantities known as signals. There are some basic electronic circuits elements in all the circuits of computers which acts logically with a set of input signals and produce standard or defined output signals. These basic circuit elements are known as logic gates. These may also be described as the basic building blocks of the computer. In digital computers, we consider two logic states: electrical signals such as voltage exit through the computers in either one or two state, which represent of binary variables that can be equal to 1 or 0. Suppose in a where if a voltage is present, then it accepts as high or 1 and low or 0 if it is absent. In case of magnetic elements, it will be considered as high or 1 if it is magnetized and will be considered low or 0 if it is not magnetized. In case of light system, it is accepted as 1 it is glow and 0 otherwise. So in digital computers, there are only two defined states present, which is also called the binary states. There are three basic gates known as OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate, which combines of these gates. It is also possible to develop some other gates. A gate is simply an electronic circuit which operates on one or more signals to produce an output signal. Gates are digital circuits because the input and output signals are either low voltage denote 0 or high voltage denote 1. Gates are often called logic circuit because they can be analyzed with Boolean algebra. Now discuss about the OR gate. The OR gate has two or more input signals but only one output signal. If any of the input signal is 1 or high, the output signal is 1 or high. If all inputs are 0, then output is also 0. If one or more inputs are 1, the output is 1. An OR gate can have as many inputs as desired. No matter how many inputs are there, the action of OR gate is the same. One or more one high inputs produce output as 1. Now take an example to describe the OR gate. In the above figure, we can see that the water is coming through a pipeline, but the flow is restrained by the two cogs A and B. Similar to binary state, we will consider the two state here 0 and 1. We will consider 0 if the cog is closed and 1 if it is open. Similarly, we will consider Y as 1 if we can get water from the pipeline, and Y will be accepted as 0 if no water is coming out from it. Now we may summarize the action logically as follows. Step 1. If both the cogs A and B are closed, no water will come out. If both A equals to 0 and B equals to 0, then Y will be equal to 0. If A is closed and B is open, we can get water from B. So logically it can be stated as if A equals to 0 and B equals to 1, the output Y is 1. If A is open and B is closed, we can get water from the line. So logically it can be stated as A equals to 1 and B equals to 0, then Y is equal to 1. If both A and B are open, we can get water from it. So if A equals to 1 and B equals to 1, then Y will be equal to 1. Observe that no other combination will be possible except for these four for the above waterline system. In general, we can say that there will be 2 to the power n number of combination for n numbers of input. Whereas there are the two inputs A and B, the possible combination will be 2 square equals to 4. In the truth table, the both input A and B summarized as if A equals to 0 and B equals to 0, the Y output equals to 0. If A equals to 0 and B equals to 1, the Y as output 1. If A equals to 1 and B equals to 0, the Y output as 1. If both are 1, A and B, the Y output as 1. In OR gate, the output will be high if any of the input or all the input are high. The action of OR gate can also be illustrated with the following electrical circuit. In the above circuit, lamp Y will be glow if the switch A or the switch B is turned on state. The lamp will still glow if the both switches are turned on. If we consider the turning on as state 1 and turning off as state 0 for the switches A and B and 1 for the lamp Y to glow and 0 for not glowing, the combination can be expressed in the same truth table. So logically, this is also an OR gate.